Did you know you can access international payment platforms like Stripe and PayPal from anywhere in the world simply by forming an LLC in the United States? This strategy allows global entrepreneurs to expand their businesses, simplify online transactions, and enhance their competitiveness in international markets. Welcome to Maera Inc., your channel dedicated to providing detailed, practical information to successfully manage your business in the USA. In this video, we'll show you step-by-step how to create an LLC and use it to easily integrate international payment platforms. Why create an LLC in the USA? An LLC, limited liability company, is a popular legal structure in the United States due to its numerous benefits, especially for international entrepreneurs. By creating an LLC, you clearly separate personal assets from business assets, protecting your individual wealth from commercial debts and liabilities. LLCs also enjoy significant tax benefits, including avoiding double taxation, as profits flow directly to the owners and are taxed only once. This allows for more efficient and cost-effective tax management, facilitating business growth. Moreover, an LLC projects a more professional and trustworthy image, crucial for attracting international clients and accessing markets where trust is key. The success of any online business heavily depends on how it manages financial transactions. Platforms like Stripe and PayPal enable receiving payments from international clients quickly, securely, and efficiently. However, accessing these platforms from outside the US can be complicated due to regulatory restrictions or specific requirements. By forming an LLC in the United States, these problems disappear. Since an LLC is a legal US entity, it automatically meets the requirements these platforms demand, significantly simplifying integration and enabling services typically restricted to foreign companies. This creates a vast array of commercial opportunities by allowing you to accept payments from virtually any country, enhancing your customers' purchasing experience and boosting your chances of global success. How to integrate an LLC with Stripe? Here's the detailed step-by-step process to integrate your LLC with Stripe. 1. Creating and registering the LLC. Choose a state to establish your LLC, commonly Delaware or Wyoming due to simplicity and tax benefits. Register your LLC with the respective Secretary of State, providing required documentation such as the company's name, address, and purpose. 2. Obtaining the EIN, Employer Identification Number. After registering the LLC, obtain an EIN from the IRS, Internal Revenue Service. This number is essential for opening bank accounts, hiring employees, and registering your business with international payment platforms. 3. Opening a U.S. bank account for the LLC. With the EIN, you can open a U.S. bank account. Many banks allow international entrepreneurs to open these accounts remotely, significantly simplifying the process. 4. Registering on Stripe using LLC details. Finally, visit Stripe's official website and complete the registration using your LLC details, company name, address, EIN, and bank account. Identity verification typically takes a few days, and once completed, you can start receiving global payments seamlessly. How to integrate an LLC with PayPal? The process with PayPal is similar but requires careful attention to some key details. 1. Creating and registering the LLC. As with Stripe, formally register your LLC with the chosen state, providing basic company information and paying the relevant fees. 2. Obtaining the EIN. Secure your EIN from the IRS, making sure to retain the official document for future verifications and legal requirements. 3. Linking a U.S. bank account to PayPal. With the LLC and EIN, open a U.S. bank account that will later be linked to PayPal. This connection facilitates fund withdrawals and simplifies financial management. 4. Confirming identity and legal details with PayPal. Complete your PayPal registration by providing all the LLC's legal information. PayPal typically performs thorough data verification to prevent fraud, so providing clear and precise information from the beginning is essential. Common mistakes to avoid. Although the process seems straightforward, entrepreneurs commonly make errors that can lead to temporary or permanent account suspensions. Failing to provide accurate, updated information when registering the LLC. Providing bank details or addresses that don't exactly match official company documents. Not properly verifying your identity or ignoring additional document requests from the payment platforms. To avoid these errors, always review every detail carefully and remain responsive to verification requests from Stripe or PayPal. How Maera Inc. can help you. At Maera Inc., We specialize in simplifying these processes for you. We provide comprehensive advisory services for LLC creation, swift EIN acquisition, and seamless assistance in opening U.S. bank accounts. Furthermore, our team has extensive experience integrating LLCs with platforms like Stripe and PayPal, ensuring all steps are correctly executed from the outset, avoiding complications and enabling you to operate your business with complete peace of mind. Our mission is to allow you to focus on growing your business while we handle the administrative and technical aspects that can often be complex and frustrating. In summary, owning an LLC in the United States not only gives you access to international payment gateways like Stripe and PayPal, but also significantly enhances your global presence and simplifies business operations. If you're ready to take the next step, contact us today at Maera Inc. or visit our website for more information and start your integration process with international payment platforms. Grow your business with expert assistance and simplify your financial life today.